Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
IKEA, the Swedish furniture giant, has captured the hearts of millions worldwide with its innovative designs, affordable prices, and commitment to functionality. Among its vast array of products, there are certain fan favorites that have stood the test of time, becoming staples in households around the globe. From iconic furniture pieces to clever organizational solutions, these 8 IKEA items have earned a permanent place in our homes. One such fan favorite is the Billy bookcase, beloved for its simple yet versatile design and customizable options. Whether used to display books, store belongings, or showcase decorative items, the Billy bookcase offers practical storage solutions for any space. The Pome chair is another IKEA classic that continues to capture the hearts of consumers with its sleek design and ergonomic comfort. With its curved frame and cushioned seat, the Pome chair provides the perfect blend of style and relaxation for lounging or reading. In the realm of kitchen organization, the RÅSKOG utility cart reigns supreme as a must-have item for keeping essentials organized and accessible. Its sturdy construction and movable design make it ideal for storing kitchen gadgets, pantry items, or even craft supplies. For small space living, the Kallax shelving unit is a game-changer, offering versatile storage solutions that can be customized to fit any space. Whether used as a room divider, media console, or bookshelf, the Kallax shelving unit maximizes vertical space while adding a touch of modern style to any room. In the realm of bedding, the Malm bed frame is a perennial favorite, known for its clean lines, timeless design, and sturdy construction. Available in a variety of sizes and finishes, the Malm bed frame offers both style and functionality at an affordable price point. For those in need of a workspace, the Alex desk has become a go-to option for its sleek design and ample storage options. With its spacious desktop and integrated drawers, the Alex desk provides a stylish and functional workspace for any home office or study. In the realm of lighting, the Ranner pendant lamp is a fan favorite for its industrial-inspired design and warm, diffused light. Whether used as a statement piece in a living room or as task lighting in a kitchen, the Ranner pendant lamp adds a touch of style and ambience to any room. Finally, for those in need of extra storage, the Brim's wardrobe has become a go-to option for its sleek design and ample storage options. With its sliding doors and adjustable shelves, the Brim's wardrobe offers versatile storage solutions for any bedroom or entryway. In conclusion, these 8 IKEA fan favorites represent the perfect blend of style, functionality, and affordability, making them must-have items for any home. From iconic furniture pieces to clever organizational solutions, these IKEA products have earned a permanent place in our hearts and homes, ensuring that we'll never stop buying them.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!